everyone, it's Pam and Pam's Garden, and I've been having problems with my hydrangeas. And I have my brother Mark here today, who's a master gardener, and he's going to give me some hints about how to help my hydrangeas. Thought this would be an interesting thing to help everyone. This is my brother Mark, and he's a master gardener, and he's here to show me, like I said earlier, that, what I can do to help my hydrangeas with their the color of their leaves. So Mark, I can show you this one here. It's light. So what do you think is going on with it?
Well, number one, the root system is not picking up the nutrients that it needs to get the chlorophyll to 100% into the epidermis of the leaf. Right. So we can use the product that I like to use is the banana tea. We'll use the banana, and the banana has calcium and it has carbohydrates in it. Then secondly, we'll use the Epsom salts, and the Epsom salts will help break the ions in the soil and allow the flow of new chlorophyll into the leaf. So we're not necessarily working on the flower color or saving the flower color because it looks like it does not need any treatment. Only the leaves. So we're going to add, additionally, we're going to add either liquid fish or fish meal.
Will that work? Fish meal?
Fish meal, or and then we're going to use either bat guano or kelp meal. Both great products. They can be put into the container of boiling water to make the tea, allow it to break down, and then when you put the product into the plant, the root ball, you want to use the concentrate. You don't mix any more water with it. You want all that concentrate in the soil. And what I like to do is prior to fertilizing the plant, I like to saturate the root ball with water.
I was going to say
and then that allows the root hairs to pick up that new nutrients.
And it won't burn. It won't
burn. Because you're using all organic material.
I have one behind it here that maybe you can show the difference between how dark that one is compared to the light one.
Well, number one, this is a younger plant. The root ball is, of course, young. It's probably, it hasn't reached to its maturity yet as far as the root ball. But this is a good example that the roots are taking the nutrients that it needs to create the chlorophyll. Now, as the plant grows and it gets moved into a larger container, that's an optimum time to add more organic material.
I've got a quick question to ask you too, Mark, over here. You notice some of my leaves on this hydrangea are turning brown. I thought it was because we've had quite a bit of wind and sunshine in the afternoon. So I was wondering what you think about it.
Well, as I look at the plant, even though the leaves are turning yellow and they've got burnt, serrated edges, it's producing flowering. So that means the plant is healthy.
It's happy, huh?
It's happy. The burn is probably a couple things. The leaf, when watered, the water has not dried yet, and then it gets the reflection off the sun.
Could be the minerals from my water too.
Well, it could be the minerals of water. They put fluoride, and they use chlorine, of course, to purify drinking water. But I don't think this is the cause from the water. I think this is excess water that after it's been watered, and then you've got the sea salt airflow in here from the marine layer, and then you've got the filtered sun coming through, and the combination is burning. It's nothing to be alarmed of. I'm more alarmed at the fact that the leaf color changes, not necessarily the
brown
tips.
parts of it. All right, thanks. I really appreciate all your help today, Mark.
Oh, you're welcome.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
You're welcome.